Good morning, children. Today we will do lesson 5, food and digestion. Food is necessary to live. All living beings need food for their survival. Food gives them energy to work. It keeps them healthy. It also protects them from diseases. We eat different types of food such as wheat, rice, pulses, vegetables, fruits, spices, and edible oils. The food we eat contains some essential substances called nutrients. These provide nourishment to the body. Different nutrients nourish our body differently. Some give energy, some build the muscles, and some help us to fight with the diseases. Let us know about these nutrients. Children, as we all know, food contains the nutrients. Now, what are nutrients? Nutrients are the substances needed by our body to grow, remain healthy, and also to fight diseases. Now, food which we eat is used by our body for what purposes? First, to give us energy to do work. Second, to protect us from diseases. Third, for growth. So today we will discuss about these nutrients. Nutrients in our food. The food we eat must contain nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. These are essential for proper growth and development of the body. We must include roughage and water in our diet. Now, in order to meet the demands of the body, we need to eat food, as you all know. And these food items contain different nutrients. And these nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. So first we will discuss carbohydrate. Different food items like fruits, vegetables, cereals, chocolates, and sweets contain carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give us energy to work. So they are called energy giving foods. People who do physical work need a diet rich in carbohydrates. We get carbohydrate in two forms, that is sugar and starch. Rice, wheat, maize and potato are rich sources of carbohydrates. Too much intake of carbohydrates can make us fat. So now we will discuss about carbohydrates. Our body needs energy to work, to play also, and to do other activities. So carbohydrates are generally energy giving nutrients. Remember this word, energy giving nutrients. And starch and sugar are the two types of carbohydrates consumed by us. Examples of food items rich in starch are potato, rice, wheat, and corn. And even fruits such as banana, pineapple, oranges, mangoes are rich source of sugar. Children, people who are involved in lots of physical labor, like you can say sportsmen, laborers, they need more carbohydrates to fulfill their energy needs. Protein. Protein helps in bodybuilding. It helps in growth. Children must take food rich in protein. It also helps in the repair of worn out cells. Pulses, peas, beans, cheese, egg, fish and meat are rich sources of proteins. Proteins are called body building foods. Now, what are proteins? As carbohydrates are energy giving nutrients, proteins are the body building foods. Now, these proteins help to build, maintain, and repair the tissues in our body. and that is why they are called as bodybuilding foods. As you all know that the growth of cells is more compared to the adults. That means in children, the growth of cell is more compared to the adults. Therefore, growing children like you all should consume more protein than adults. And as it is given here that sources of protein are meat, fish, egg, milk, you can include curd, cheese and other milk products. Fats. Fats also provide us heat and energy. They provide more heat and energy than carbohydrates. The fat is stored in our body to keep us warm. Oil, nuts, butter, ghee are fat-rich foods. We should take fats only in limited quantity. Too much of oily things make us fat and obese. Obese means fat. Fats are also energy giving foods. So again I will revise. Carbohydrates are energy giving nutrients, protein are body building foods, and fats are energy giving foods. Fats provide us with more energy than carbohydrates. Remember this point. Fats provide us with more energy than carbohydrates, and they are also energy giving food. They act as a body reserve tank of energy. You can say as a reserve tank of energy. And fats also help to keep the body warm during the cold weather. And as you all know, too much fat in the diet may lead to obesity or overweight. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals keep us healthy by fighting against diseases. They help us in formation of teeth, bones, and blood. We need vitamins and minerals in small quantity, but we must take them regularly. Some minerals like calcium, iron, potassium, iodine, and salt are essentially needed in small amount by various parts of our body. Now, children, and minerals are the protective foods. Vitamins are the substances that are found in foods we eat, and there are many vitamins, and each one has some special role. You can say, for example, vitamin D builds strong bones, and vitamin C helps our body to heal in case of an allergy. And besides these vitamins, minerals are also protective food. Minerals like calcium, iron, iodine are some examples of minerals, and green leafy vegetables, fruits, milk and fish are some food rich in vitamins and minerals. We get vitamins and minerals from fresh fruits, as I already told you, and vegetables, milk and eggs. Vitamins and minerals are also known as protective food. Refuges. Refuges are important for the proper digestion of food. Refuges are fibers present in the food. They are not digested with the food, but they help in its digestion and removal of waste. Raw vegetables and fruits are rich source of roughage. Now, you can say this term refuges also as a fiber, refuges or fiber. So the fiber or roughage in our diet is not digested. Remember this thing, that it is not digested and does not provide nourishment also. It is an important part of our diet because first point, it helps other food pass easily through the digestive system and supports digestion. Second point, a high fiber diet may also help in maintaining the proper weight. Third, these refuges help in the smooth excretion of waste from the body. Water. Most of our body weight is due to water. We lose water when we sweat, pass urine, and even when we breathe out. Water helps to maintain our body temperature and is a part of digestive juices. It is needed by the body for different functions. We must drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Children, as you all know, water is essential for all bodily functions and for life. It makes up more than half of our body weight. Since many vital body processes depend on water, for example, blood, which contains a lot of water, carries oxygen to all the cells of the body. And you all know without oxygen, those tiny cells would die and the body would stop functioning. Second, water also helps in digestion and elimination of waste. We don't get water only for drinking from drinking water. Any fluid we drink also contain water. We can say such as juice and milk, and the water is very essential for our body. Balanced diet. A diet that contains all the nutrients, that is protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals in right proportion, is called balanced diet. Now, diet is the food we eat regularly. To stay healthy and fit, it is important to have a balanced diet. And balanced diet contains all the essential nutrients which we have discussed: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals in the correct amounts. And it also includes roughage and sufficient amount of water.